47 days until Yukon River Quest 2026. Had about 5 hours of paddling today on Lake Conroe. You can see the storm. It's been storming all day. It's kind of calmed down a little bit. I had some pretty good wind gusts. Got tipped over in the middle of the lake. Took me about a half hour to swim to shore and get back in my boat, and I was pretty exhausted at that point. Just crossing from there to here took me at least 30 minutes. The wind was coming from that way and causing crosswaves, so I had to paddle into the wind and kind of work my way down. But the wind was just grabbing the paddle and pulling it back, so it was an effort just to push the paddle forward to get it into the water and then pull back with it. Paddled from Seven Coves boat ramp to Stubblefield Marina to the north end of Lake Conroe. Took me several hours because just fighting wind. The rain wasn't bad, it was just the wind, and then swells, had some big swells, 2 to 3 foot swells at times, mostly 1 to 2 foot. Started getting whitecaps on the way back, so I had to hug shore really close in case I went in. I could swim to shore and try and stand up and get back in the boat. Yeah, great day to test the gear, what to use, what not to use, and good training day. I'm pretty wiped out right now, but the boat's loaded back up on the Tacoma. That was probably the hardest thing to do, was get the boat back on the Tacoma. But all good. Yukon River Quest 2026.